Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? For centuries, humanity has told stories of lights in the darkness, of visitors from other worlds. These tales aren't just modern inventions, they reach deep into our ancient past. Strange objects have been reported, streaking across the sky and vanishing without a trace. Consider Roswell, 1947. Something crashed in the desert. The military called it a flying disc, then quickly changed their story to a weather balloon. Many didn't buy the new explanation, and whispers of alien bodies and cover-ups began. Roswell remains a symbol of the unknown, fueling speculation to this day. Think of the Nazca lines in Peru, giant figures only visible from above. Were they messages to sky gods or to visitors from the stars? The pyramids of Egypt with their baffling precision also spark questions. Could ancient humans have had help from beyond Earth? These mysteries challenge our understanding of history and ignite our imagination. Are they coincidences, misinterpretations, or clues to something greater? The cosmos keeps its secrets, but sometimes it seems to whisper. We just have to learn how to listen. Are we ready to hear? The unknown calls to us, daring us to explore. Every mystery is a doorway to new possibilities. What will we find if we keep searching? The answers may change everything, or leave us with even deeper questions. When you hear alien, do you picture green skin, big eyes, and a spaceship? Pop culture has shaped this image, but real alien life, if it exists, could be far stranger or simpler. An alien is simply a life form that didn't originate on Earth. This definition opens up endless possibilities. Alien life might be microbial, tiny organisms surviving in harsh conditions, maybe beneath a frozen moon or in a gas giant's atmosphere. Life on Earth takes many forms. Why not elsewhere? Then there's the idea of advanced civilizations, beings with technology beyond our own, perhaps traveling between stars or observing us from afar. Could they have visited Earth, or are they still out there, waiting to be found? The concept of alien is a question mark hanging over the cosmos. It represents the unknown, the other, and shapes our search. Are we looking for simple microbes, or intelligent beings like ourselves, or something entirely different? The definition matters. It guides our expectations and our quest. Understanding what we seek helps us frame the search. The universe is vast, and so are the possibilities. Every discovery brings new questions. What will we recognize as life when we find it? The answer could redefine everything we know. The search continues, guided by curiosity and wonder. What are we truly looking for? Why are we so fascinated by the idea of life beyond Earth? It's part of what makes us human. Our curiosity, our drive to explore, our need to understand our place in the universe. The search for alien life is, at its core, a search for connection. The thought of being alone in the cosmos can be unsettling. Discovering life elsewhere would mean we're part of something bigger, a cosmic community. This could bring comfort or new challenges. Fear also plays a role. What if alien life is hostile? Science fiction taps into these anxieties, fueling both wonder and caution. Ultimately, the search for aliens is a search for meaning. Are we a cosmic accident, or is life common? The answer would reshape our science, philosophy, and religions. It would change how we see ourselves. That's why we look up. That's why we wonder. The universe invites us to ask big questions, and every question brings us closer to understanding. The journey is as important as the answer. The skies have always held mysteries, but in modern times they often take the form of UFOs, unidentified flying objects. Reports of strange crafts moving in impossible ways have captured public attention for decades. Some sightings are easily explained: weather balloons, aircraft, meteors. Others remain stubbornly unexplained, leaving us to wonder. In 1947, pilot Kenneth Arnold saw 9 shiny objects near Mount Rainier, moving like saucers skipping on water. His report sparked the term flying saucers and a wave of sightings. The Washington, D.C. incident in 1952 saw strange lights over the White House, detected on radar and chased by jets. Official explanations didn't satisfy everyone. The Phoenix lights of 1997, thousands in Arizona saw a massive, silent V-shaped object and a series of stationary lights. Even the governor admitted he saw something he couldn't explain. These events remain some of the largest mass sightings ever recorded. What did so many people witness? The echoes of these sightings persist, fueling debate and curiosity. Each incident adds to the mystery. Are they glimpses of something extraordinary, or simply misunderstood phenomena? The skies keep their secrets, but the questions remain. Every sighting is a piece of a larger puzzle. the search for answers continues. What will the next sighting reveal? The truth may be closer than we think, or still just out of reach. Beyond strange lights in the sky, some claim personal encounters, alleged abductions by alien beings. These stories are controversial and often dismissed, but for those who report them, the experiences feel intensely real. The case of Betty and Barney Hill in 1961 is the most famous. They described missing time and, under hypnosis, recounted being taken aboard a craft and examined by non-human entities. Their story brought alien abduction into popular culture. Many who report such encounters describe similar details: small beings, large heads, medical procedures, telepathic communication. Skeptics point to sleep paralysis, false memories, and cultural influence as explanations. There's rarely physical evidence, just personal testimony. Science struggles to investigate what can't be repeated or measured, but the impact on individuals is undeniable. Whether external or internal, these experiences change lives. The mystery endures. What does science say about life beyond Earth? Scientists are searching, using telescopes, studying planets, and scanning for signals from distant stars. The universe is vast, billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, many with planets. The numbers suggest life could exist elsewhere. The Drake equation estimates how many civilizations might exist in our galaxy, though many factors remain unknown. Projects like SETI listen for artificial signals, but so far no definitive contact. Scientists also search for biosignatures, chemical signs of life in exoplanet atmospheres. Life on Earth thrives in extreme environments, showing us that life can adapt in ways we never imagined. This expands the range of places we might find life, like Europa or Enceladus, moons with possible subsurface oceans. The potential is out there. Every discovery brings us closer to an answer. The search is just beginning. The question of aliens sparks strong opinions. Believers and skeptics, each with their arguments. Believers point to eyewitness testimony, ancient astronaut theories, and unexplained phenomena as evidence. Skeptics demand stronger proof, noting that most sightings can be explained by natural or human-made causes. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and so far that evidence is lacking. Much of what we have is anecdotal or open to interpretation. Science requires testable, repeatable proof, hard to find in this field. The debate continues, blending belief, science, and the unknown. Keeping an open mind is important, but so is critical thinking. The truth demands careful seeking. Every perspective adds to the conversation. The mystery keeps us searching. What will it take to settle the debate? For years, governments dismissed UFOs, but behind the scenes, investigations were underway. The U.S. Air Force's Project Blue Book examined thousands of reports, concluding most were misidentifications. Not everyone was convinced. Recently, leaked Navy videos showed unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, performing maneuvers that defy known physics. The Pentagon created a task force to study these incidents, and official reports now admit many remain unexplained. Some UAPs seem to demonstrate advanced technology, no mention of aliens, but nothing ruled out. This new transparency is significant. Governments are taking the issue seriously. Are these objects advanced technology from other nations or something else? The curtain is lifting, but the answers are still unclear. The questions remain. So, are aliens among us? We've explored mysteries, science belief, and skepticism. The truth remains elusive, a puzzle with many missing pieces. There's no simple answer yet. The evidence is compelling, but rarely conclusive. We're still in the early stages of this cosmic exploration. The search for life beyond Earth is one of humanity's greatest adventures. What you believe is up to you. Convinced, skeptical, or undecided. The most important thing is to keep an open mind, ask questions, and think critically. The universe is vast and mysterious. Whether aliens are among us or not, the search teaches us about science ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The final frontier is not just space, but our own understanding. The truth is out there, or waiting to be discovered within. The journey of discovery is yours to continue.